Happy birthday
Happy birthday
to
to 31.
to 31 finally.
Growing younger.
يلا بلوت
Make a wish.
معلش.
Make a wish. To abundance and beyond. المفروض I don't say it out loud.
I can finally say that I've accepted the 30s Club invitation, and for that, I'll be showing you my recipe for a heavy duty base. And that usually involves mixing more than one product together. I don't know if you have noticed, but yes, it's a new setup. I'm not quite sure if I like the backdrop. I'm still experimenting, but come on, it's better than just a simple white wall. The beauty room is still a work in progress. Hopefully by the end of the year I can update you on it. But for now, this is doable. Anyways, I'm getting ready to celebrate my birthday with my sister over a nice, quiet dinner. Now that I'm in my 30s, I'd rather spend some quality time and appreciate the things I have and life in general. Last year's theme was all red since I was going to a metal concert, but for this year, I wanted all glam. It's giving a retro vibe, I know, with the bold yellow and blue tones. I was just in the mood for a look that's so in your face. You'll see that I was focusing more on the under eye with the crazy baking. It's a trust the process thing. It will all melt down and blend seamlessly with the help of my skin oils, of course. I used the puff to bake my under eye. As for the rest of my face, I switched to a beauty sponge, then brushed off the excess powder with a brush. Because I know I'll be adding more powder to prevent any fallout, I refresh my base using ColourPop spray. Now these are the colors I have decided to use. They're mainly Super Shock shadows by ColourPop. And I don't know why I was billing myself here, but okay. Starting with the Norvina palette by ABH, I'll be packing 2 shades of browns on the outer corner because I want some dimension to the eye look. I don't want it to be flat or just different shades of blues. Then I started blending to create the shape I want, which is always an exaggerated outer corner. And then we were blessed with the Diane. Back to the browns, I brought the color all the way up as a transition shade and used a different clean brush to blend even more. For the inner corner, I used most of the blue tones from the Fade into Hue palette by ColourPop, and as you can see, I was packing the shade first, then slowly blending it. You should know by now that Inklet drops is a must to make everything 10 times better. Using my fingertip, I went with the icy blue first, then placed the duochrome shade on the outer area. The champagne color wasn't really doing it for me, so I added another Super Shock shadow that is more cool tone to match my nails better. Bless me. Now don't judge my heavily loved palettes. I decided to take the extra step and add 2 more mattes to deepen the outer corner. And Diana wanted more screen time. She's such a diva. I used Kiko's eyeliner to tightline, and in that moment I was still missing that bold factor, so I went ahead and brought it to the lower lash line. I was feeling confident here as I loved how the colors complement one another. Up until this very second when I decided to use this liner. You'll see how I realized it was too watery that had transferred to my lashes and then got smudged. The quickest solution was just to rub it off with a Q-tip, then smoke it out with a black eyeshadow. I was still not very happy with my left eye and how it turned out. I was fighting the urge to not wipe it and start all over again. The sun is going down and I'm wasting time here, so I just convinced myself to carry on with the look. I know, it will come together eventually. That's why I packed my blush, then went ahead and buffed it with a bigger brush. And I desperately needed that glow, so I used one of Kiko's blushes. You see, it's all about mixing products. That's my motto in makeup. Anyways, I quickly fixed my eyebrows because I felt like I was going to have a wardrobe crisis, which I did. Thank God I had another dress in the same shade of yellow/green, or how I would describe it, a kiwi colored dress. For final touches, I added my signature beauty mark, then coated my lower lashes with a third mascara because, the more the merrier. As for lips, I used two lipsticks, one by Colourpop and the other by Kiko, to achieve that perfect nude pink. And that's the final look. Very retro, very 80s like. I'm happy I went with the textured hair vibe instead of your typical curls, and of course, a bathroom selfie is a must. The dinner was nice and the cake was delicious. Overall, a night well spent thanks to my sister. If you have stayed until the end, thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you want more makeup videos or beauty related content. And that's it. Bye bye.